Did you know that there's quite a big difference in temperature between different parts of the fridge? Here's how to use it to your advantage. The door is the warmest part, great for butter and cheese, so they stay soft and are ready to eat at any moment. The top shelves are a bit colder, and a suitable place for things like eggs and leftovers that don't need very cold temperatures. The middle area is, well, medium cold. Here's where you store dairy items like yogurt and milk, and lettuce. Take it out of its original packaging and rinse it in a salad spinner. Put it in a fresh plastic bag, but keep it airy. You've probably guessed by now that the bottom is the coldest part. So this is where you want foods like meat, fish, and poultry, as well as fresh veggies like cabbage, carrots, and broccoli. Here's a bonus. Nuts are best stored in a plastic bag in the freezer. That way they'll keep their flavor and crunch much longer. And there we go. That's one well-organized fridge.